Hey guys, what's happening? How to boost iPhone signal strength. To boost iPhone signal strength, toggle the airplane mode on and then off. So just toggle it on and then toggle it off, right? You can also restart your device by staying in the control system, right? Shut down, hit the shutdown icon at the top right, and reopen it again using your lock screen, right? Or remove the case to reduce antenna interface. For better reception, move to a higher location or near a window. Enable Wi-Fi calling, right? Or switch from 5G to LTE in cellular settings to improve stability. So you can go ahead to the settings, cellular. You can see the cellular data options. You can switch to 5G if available for your phone. Okay, so consider liking this video, subscribing, and don't forget to remove the phone case. Certain cases, especially thick or metallic ones, can interfere with the antenna. And move to a better location, go outside, move to a higher floor, or stand near a window, as walls and roofing materials can block signals. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.